Check them out, guys. So I'm out in my yard this morning, and I have my cat bouncing around in the yard, and I call her Buddy. She is also Bugaboo because she likes to bully everybody, and she's very good at catching birds. I walked over to her this morning, and on the ground was this little guy, still breathing. Oh my goodness. Pray that he gets better and that he can get strong enough to fly away. He is so relaxed and chilled, and wow, it's been a long time since I've rescued. So beautiful, isn't she? I put her in the box outside so she could hear all the birds and get the fresh air and rest. Yeah. No more cats. No. Poor thing. Send a prayer, guys, that this little one gets strong enough to fly away.